Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Dollarama haul. And this one is all winter, Christmas, holiday themed. And first I bought these little ornaments. I'm looking to probably alter them. I bought them for another reason but didn't get a chance to do what I wanted with them. But that's silver and they have glitter on them, and my craft room is now full of glitter. I mean, yeah, it's like literally full of glitter. Look at my top here. Anyway, so I bought them in red, silver, and gold. So hopefully I'll still be able to embellish them as the way I wanted to. You can see that some of the glitter is not on all of them, but I'm not too worried about that because I think the glitter is more here as opposed to on my ornaments. I bought these fillable ornaments, and these were $1.50 each. So I thought those were great price. I bought, oops, oh, they landed in the garbage. So I bought 2 packages of those. I also bought, as you saw, I bought some bells. I got tiny bells with the different colors, and then I got them in a larger size with different colors. And then I got the gold in a smaller and larger size in different colors. These ones have 38 pieces for $1.50. Great price. 50 of these for $1.50. If you go to Michael's, they're going to cost you a lot more. This one doesn't say, and this one doesn't say, but these were both $1.50. Okay, so that's that. See what fell in the garbage can. I bought these decorative stickers, and they're just the gift, the presents. So those would be cute to add on to Christmas cards and all that. And there you have your poinsettias. Those are really pretty. That. And again, $1.25, can't go wrong. I bought these craft ribbon. It's like jute type, and really love the colors. You know, usually I only see them in the brown color, but I'm glad to see them in the red and the green. And you get 2 pieces, and they're approximately 2 meters or 200 centimeters for each piece, or maybe that's combined both, so it'd be 1 meter each one and 100 centimeters in both. Not sure until I open that, but I'm not gonna measure. Then I found these mini snowflakes, and you get 36 pieces, and look at the glitter everywhere, my God. Mini snowflakes, and 36 pieces again for $1.25, and they're just plastic. So they're a nice smaller size that, you know, you can add to cards and that as well. Thought that was great. And then I found these ones here, and they're just more like the ornament ones, so, and they are plastic as well, and those are full of glitter. I think that's what the Christmas theme, everything is full of glitter. And so you get 16 in there, and you get the little thread there so that you can hang them, but I'll probably use it for something else and just cut off the tops if I have to. And then I found these adorable stickers. And they're chipboard, so they're, you know, they're dimensional, which is perfect. And I'm planning to make Christmas cards. My mom, last couple of years, I've been making my mom her Christmas cards for her so that she can send out to her family and friends. And so I got this one here. Really pretty. I'm loving the colors they chose this year. They don't look, you know, sometimes you get some stuff that looks really cheap, but these don't. They look really nice. And they're just, the colors are so pretty. And then you have that one there. I love that. And the last thing that I bought, well, actually it's not the last. I'm going to do 2 haul videos. This is the last of the part 1. And then I got this trim as well. Thought that was really pretty. So that is it for this video. And I'll upload another one shortly of part 2.